Any child's pose is good. You can bring your knees out to the width of the mat, toes to touch, and walk your hands forward, melting the head and chest down to the mat. And we're going to stay here for a few breaths, allowing the body to settle, to arrive, connecting to the breath. Inhale, feel your back expand. And as you exhale, feel your belly soften. Continue to breathe nice and evenly at your own pace. There's nothing you need to do right now except for just surrender